lies still in bed is not the real you, but only a part of you? What if each night you travel to realms beyond our normal perception, guided by spirits who tend to your soul? Welcome, seekers of truth, to this exploration of the hidden mysteries of sleep. Prepare to dive deep into the rabbit hole of the unseen, where the veil between worlds is thinnest, and the secrets of the universe are revealed. In the tapestry of human experience, sleep holds a unique place. It is that curious state where the physical world fades and the spiritual emerges. Throughout history, mystics, seers, and sages have recognized sleep as more than mere physical rest. It is a sacred departure, a nightly pilgrimage into the heart of existence itself. But what if we could remember these journeys? What if each night we could consciously navigate the realms of the soul? Allow me to introduce you to the concept of biphasic sleep. Long ago, humans slept in two distinct phases, separated by a sacred interval of wakefulness in the dead of night. This natural rhythm allowed for a doorway into the astral planes, a subtle energy realm where dreams are born and the soul can roam free. It was during this liminal phase that shamans journeyed to other worlds. Mediums contacted spirits, and wise souls meditated on the mysteries of life. Now, you might be thinking, how can I access these deeper levels of sleep and the hidden dimensions they unlock? The key lies within you. Your dominant frequency determines the realms you will visit. Approach sleep in fear and darkness, and you may find yourself lost in nightmares and chaos. Enter sleep serenely, anchored in love and gratitude, and you will meet your spirit guides, bathed in the light of wisdom. For it is in this state of expanded awareness that the spiritual and the mundane intertwine. To truly understand the language of the soul, we must pay attention to the whispers of dreams. Dreams are not mere illusions, but direct messages from the soul. They come to us in symbols and metaphors, stories that speak to our deepest truths if we know how to listen. A sudden flight in a dream, for instance, may symbolize a need for freedom in waking life. A recurring dream of falling could reflect a fear of abandonment or loss. Each image is a key, unlocking hidden aspects of ourselves that we may not yet consciously know. But what if these nocturnal voyages go even deeper? What if we can encounter parallel versions of ourselves in alternate realities? These glimpses of other lives are not fantastical flights of fancy, but echoes from the infinite potential that lies within us. By understanding these parallel selves and the missions we undertake in these other worlds, we can heal fragmented parts of ourselves and bring greater wholeness to our waking lives. These nightly journeys are not solitary. We are accompanied by spirit guides, beings of pure consciousness that exist to assist and enlighten us. Through their wisdom and love, we gain insights and healing that reverberate far beyond the dreams. But why do we forget these profound experiences when we wake? It's as though a dense fog descends, obscuring the vivid colors of the night before. Why does memory fail us when it comes to the most transformative moments of our lives? The simple answer is vibration. In the waking state, our vibrations are scattered, pulled in 1,000 directions by the demands of daily life. But during sleep, our frequencies align, allowing for deeper attunement with the spiritual realms. As we drift off, the veils grow thin and the wisdom of the ages seeks to pour through. So how can we begin to remember these sacred journeys? It starts with intention. Before sleep, set the clear intention: I will remember. Upon waking, resist the urge to check your phone or jump into the day's tasks. Instead, lie still for a few moments, feeling the softness of the sheets against your skin. Slowly, ever so slowly, bring your awareness to the sliver of a memory just behind the curtain of forgetting. There it is, a fragment of a dream, a whisper of a name, a feeling of something profoundly true. Write it down, even if it makes no immediate sense. In time, a pattern will emerge and you will begin to grasp the bigger picture. For sleep is not merely a period of rest, but an initiation into the mysteries of being. Every night you traverse the threshold between worlds. The question is, are you ready to awaken to the full scope of your journey? Are you willing to read the forbidden book that has been with you since the beginning of time? The choice, dear seeker, is yours. Dive deep into the ocean of dreams and bring back the treasures of wisdom or remain asleep and miss the call of your soul. The path to remembering is both ancient and brand new. It has always been within you. Now, it is time to awaken and see. With love and blessings on your journey, I bid you farewell. May your dreams take you to realms of wonder, and may you return with stories that inspire. Until next time, keep your heart open, your mind curious, and your spirit free.